Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study data analysis. Begin by building a strong foundation in statistics, understanding concepts like mean, median, and mode. Next, learn a powerful programming language such as Python or R, essential for manipulating large datasets. Simultaneously, master spreadsheet software like Excel for initial data exploration and organization. Developing strong problem-solving skills is crucial to effectively interpret and derive meaningful insights from your data. Once you have your foundational skills, focus on acquiring and preparing data. Identify reliable sources and practice various collection methods, including using APIs or web scraping. A critical step is data cleaning, where you learn to handle missing values and inconsistent formats. Understanding data normalization and standardization techniques will ensure your data is ready for accurate and robust analysis, setting the stage for meaningful discoveries. With clean data, it's time to explore and visualize your insights. Apply descriptive statistics to summarize key features, giving you a quick overview of your dataset. Then, utilize powerful data visualization tools like Tableau or Matplotlib to create compelling charts and graphs. These visuals are vital for communicating your findings clearly and for identifying patterns, trends, and outliers that might otherwise remain hidden within the raw numbers. To truly excel, delve into advanced analytical techniques, including machine learning algorithms for predictive modeling. The most effective way to solidify your learning is by working on real-world projects, applying your skills to practical challenges. Continuously learn new tools and methodologies as the field evolves. Finally, collaborate with peers and mentors. Diverse perspectives and feedback are invaluable for refining your analytical approach and growing professionally.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.